स्टेलर अकॅडमीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी 2023च्या नीट परीक्षेक मोठे यश मिळविले. स्टेलर अकॅडमीत मेळपी शिक्षण पद्धतीचो तांकां परीक्षेक बरोच फायदो जाला म्हणून तांणी प्रतिक्रिया दिली.
I'm Samara Dice-Barreto and I've scored 640 in NEET 2023. I'm a student of Estellar Integrated Program. About Estellar Academy and its teachers, I would like to say that it's a very good institute and I would recommend NEET aspirants to come here. The teachers are very motivating and supportive. They bring out the best in their students and are ever ready to help them whether it comes to any doubts or if they go to them for extra questions, they'll always be ready to give them questions, and they're always there to support you, to motivate you. Definitely I would like to recommend Estellar Academy to my friends and family. The teachers are very friendly, they become your friends and they teach you in the best way possible, and overall it's a wonderful experience here. I would like to tell all my juniors that sheer hard work is the only key to success. There is no substitute to hard work. Self-study along with paying rapt attention in class is very important, and you must remain focused, and if it is your dream, you surely achieve it if you work hard. At Estellar, every Sunday we had a test, so it keeps you motivated and it helps you to study also. The tests are very useful, very beneficial. It prepares you for the final exam, so that's one plus point about Estellar. Also, Estellar has 3 centers, one in Porvorim, Vasco and Margao. I was a Margao student, and each center has different teachers, so our teachers are always available, and if the students are going off track, they know how to bring them back in track, and they are always there for the students. They are like the students' friends. They are always there to support them, motivate them, and bring out the best in them. So I never watched any videos online. I relied totally on my teachers and on self-study. It's the matter that your teachers tell you all or teach you all is very important, and it will always remain with you. Watching online or studying online is not the solution. And the Estellar modules are good enough, and you must refer to them and refer to your teachers' notes, which is very important. I would like to say thank you to all my teachers at Estellar. They have been really great and really supportive, and I'm so grateful to have had them. I'll always remain grateful to this place. The teaching and non-teaching staff have been so supportive. And finally, I would like to thank my parents and my sisters. Without them, this would never be possible.
My name is Eva Pizzardo. I'm a student of Estellar Academy and I've scored 610 marks for the NEET exam 2023. After clearing NEET, I'm feeling very happy that this year I'll be getting a seat, as it was my dream of becoming a doctor. About Estellar Academy, I feel that it's a very good place if you're aiming to clear NEET, because the teachers are very hardworking and they make sure that our concepts are cleared, and they teach in a way that makes us understand very easily. I would definitely recommend Estellar Academy to my juniors and relatives. Estellar Academy is different from other coachings as the teachers here are very approachable. You can approach them at any time. They will be very ready to help you out and to clear your doubts. The staff as well is very friendly, and they make sure that we get our study materials on time. To my juniors, I would like to give this message is that for preparing NEET, make sure that you revise regularly, be attentive in class, and make sure that you solve a lot of questions on regular basis, and make sure that you get your doubts cleared as well. I would recommend that you do not refer any other source, because multiple sources end up confusing the students. So it's better to rely on Estellar if you want to clear NEET. I would like to thank God. I would like to thank my parents and my brother. I would definitely thank Estellar, the teaching and non-teaching staff at Estellar Academy, because they played a huge role and helped me to prepare well for NEET.
Hello, I'm Vanya Naruna Fernandez, and I have scored 607 for the NEET UG exam. I am from Estellar Integrated Batch. I would like to thank my teachers for supporting me throughout these 2 years and helping me crack the exam. I feel extremely happy to have scored 607 It has always been a dream and I worked very hard for these 2 years to get this match, and I'm so happy it's all come true. The teachers at Estellar Academy have always supported me in everything, be it my low scores, motivating me to do better, and always making me feel like I'm not alone and they are with me. Estellar Academy is better than other coaching institutes because here concepts of physics and chemistry are made very easy. The teachers take a lot of pain to make sure that each and every student really understands each and every concept. I do not recommend using multiple sources for reference. The NCERT textbook is well sufficient. Whatever is taught at Stellar here is well sufficient to crack the exam with the great scores. I was not referring any other source for preparing for the NEET exam. Only Stellar was enough. I would like to tell my juniors that the 2 years you get for preparing for this exam are very crucial and you need to use them wisely. Work hard, be patient, and you will see yourself doing very well for the exam.
Hello, I'm Kanak Naik and I'm the student of Estellar High Secondary School of Excellence. I've performed well in NEET 2023 and I would like to thank all my teachers and my parents who have all supported me really well. And it's been 2 years since I'm studying in Stellars, and it's a wonderful experience because the teachers here are really good. They are very supportive. They have really helped me a lot. They are always there for us. Also, the environment over here is really good. There were DPPs which were given to us regularly, which had a lot of questions for practice of the questions. They were really good, and the mock tests were also really good. The teachers were always there to solve our doubts. They used to skip their meals also to solve our doubts. So I'm really thankful to Estellar Academy for this. I would like to recommend Estellar Academy to all of my siblings, my friends, my juniors, because they have a really good environment. Their study material is really good. The message I would like to give to my juniors is that we have to be really focused for it, prepare well. We have to work hard, really work hard for this, and just be confident, trust yourself, and it's gonna happen.
Hello everyone, my name is Vedant Kamath. I am a student of Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence. I am proud about my score in NEET and I am very happy to go ahead with my future endeavors. About Estellar Academy, I want to say that they are very active, they are cooperative, all the teachers are helpful and they want the children to come and ask all of the doubts and clear them as soon as possible so that we do well in our examinations. About their tests, they are very good and of high quality. I appreciate that, and most importantly, the best part of Estellar Academy is that it is I am part of the integrated program, so it gives me an extra time to prepare and hence score well in my examination. For the most part, the integrated program helped me a lot because of the time that I had to prepare, so that is a plus point in this regard. About Estellar Academy, it has 3 centers in Goa, one in Vasco, Porvorim and Margao. So each and every center has different set of teachers, so there is no need of students to wait for only a particular teacher to clear the doubts. Hence, the students can clear the doubts very quickly. I would like to tell the people that I was not referring to any other online source, and Estellar Academy was my only source that I used in my journey for preparation in NEET 2023. To my juniors, I would like to say that there is no substitute to hard work. You have to follow your teachers compassionately and then you will be yielding out good results. So there is no substitute to hard work. Consistency is the key to success. Practice as much questions as possible and you shall prevail. I would like to say a huge thank you to my parents, my mom, my dad, and most importantly also the teachers, Sahil sir from chemistry, Yogendra sir from physics, and our biology faculty as well. So a huge shout out to them.
My name is Tasha Fernandez and I'm a student of Estellar Academy of the integrated course, and I have done pretty well on my NEET 2023 exam, and I'm very grateful for Stella for helping me out in this. The teachers are like really good mentors to us, and they help us a lot on time management because this was an integrated course, so we could have time for self-study as well. So they also gave us a lot of DPPs which helped us clearing our concepts very well. I would like to thank my mother for like dropping me and taking care of me, and my father for helping me out and getting me here. I would say that it's only hard work which can get you to a good medical college.
Hello, I'm Aparna Prabhu, a student of the integrated program of Estellar Higher Secondary School of Excellence, and I cracked NEET 2023 with a good score. I'm very thankful to the teaching and non-teaching staff of the Estellar Center at Porvorim. The faculty was amazing. They were always attentive. They were always available to our doubts, be it within the class hours or after class hours. There was nothing that went unnoticed, even academic and non-academic. I'd like to extend a special thanks to the physics, chemistry and biology faculty. My scores are credited solely to their efforts, and I'm very grateful and thankful towards them. I'd like to thank all the teaching, non-teaching office staff as well. They were always attentive, be it about scores or about the timetable or any such thing. I had a very pleasant experience with Stellar as compared to any previous institute I've been in, and I'm very thankful that I shifted here in the 12th. To my juniors, I'd like to say that please be consistent, focus on the NCERT textbooks, listen to your teachers, do not be scared to ask doubts, and don't think anyone will judge you based on your doubts, and yes, hard work pays off. If you follow multiple courses, you tend to carried away, so I suggest stick to one source. The textbook as well as the Stellar material provided is very enough. Stellar provides a all-round faculty as well as the material, and following solely from them is enough and sufficient to crack NEET with a very high score. I'd also like to thank my family for constantly supporting me throughout the entire process. It is not an easy process, requires a lot of hard work, very much of dedication, 10-12 hours of studying daily, and I'm very thankful they were there with me throughout. To any juniors who aspire to become doctors or engineers, I totally recommend Stellar for NEET as well as JEE preparation. In fact, me as well as my cousin Sia have both cracked NEET 2023 from the same institution, and it's a very proud moment for our family. So if you're looking forward to your 11th-12th preparation, look no further than Stellar.
My name is Anshuman Prabhudasa, and I am a student of Estellar High Secondary School of Excellence for Porvorim Bench Integrated Program. I am very proud and happy that the fact that I have cracked NEET 2023. I am very delighted that my teachers have been so supportive and being there at all times during difficulties which have helped me throughout this whole 12th standard. I am grateful to the whole staff of Estellar Academy which has provided me with support the whole year. Also to my grandparents, firstly my grandparents, then my mom, my mother, who has helped me throughout this journey of life, never discouraged me, always supported me in every position wherever I was. And my grandparents who have provided me with immense love and support, which has helped me a lot to crack this NEET exam. I would also like to recommend that my friends join Estellar Academy to get good scores in NEET and JEE examinations.
Hello, my name is Vaishnavi Virajpotekar. I am a student of Estellar High Secondary School of Excellence. I have cracked NEET with a good score. I feel very happy that I have got such a high score in NEET. I am also the state topper for Goa boards. The teachers at Estellar Academy are excellent. They are very encouraging and are always ready whenever you have doubts. I would recommend my juniors to join Estellar Academy for cracking JEE, NEET, etc.
My name is Renuka Thalor. I am a student of Estellar Academy. I am studying in Vasco Center, and I am very happy to achieve my scores in NEET. due to my hard work and the support of my teachers. Every teacher was supporting, especially our physics teacher. Due to my weakness in physics numericals, our sir was very determining and he gave us a lot of DPP to do. So I finally, because of those continuous DPP, I was able to achieve good marks in physics. Chemistry was also, our teacher was nice and I was able to achieve good marks in chemistry. Bio, yeah, they were also nice teachers. So yeah, they were supportive. I will definitely give our juniors to the advice to enter the Estellar Academy so that they can score better marks in NEET, in the upcoming NEET exam. Our Estellar Academy is different from other academy because they provide different teachers for DPP solving, and there are different centers. One is in Vasco and of course in Bandgaon. There are other centers also. There are different set of teachers available. So if we have any doubts, they are always there to help us. I would like to thank my parents and teachers because of their support, constant support and blessings, I was able to achieve my marks.
Hello, I'm Ashwin D'Souza from Estellar Academy and I've cracked NEET with a good score. About Estellar Academy and its teachers, I'd like to say thank you to Sir Yogendra for helping me so much, and Sir Sahil and teacher Asma and teacher Jigni who have taught me in my 11th and 12th. See, in my 11th I not studied properly, and during my 12th I was like very stressed and all, so Sahil sir told me like I can wait with him and ask all my doubts and everything. That helped me a lot, especially in the last 4 months of my NEET. It was my game changer. I did like to recommend Estellar Academy to all my juniors and my friends who want to crack NEET with a good score. In Estellar Academy, we are provided with the best DPPs, study materials and tests every Sunday, which is very important, especially the tests. I would like to recommend all my friends to join Estellar Academy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Siyanathan Prabhu, a student of Estellar Academy, and I am very pleased to have cracked NEET with a good score. The faculty, the test series at Estellar Academy were very excellent, they were good, and especially the tests that were conducted close to NEET, in the 1 month before NEET. They had questions very similar to the ones that were asked in NEET, and our faculty, they were so experienced, and so they were concerned about the children, and they were good mentors. And I thank God and my parents and my teachers at Estellar Academy to have made my learning experience such a joyful one. Estellar Academy is better than most coachings because the teachers here, they give you individual attention. For each child, their weaknesses, their strengths are different, so they recognize that and they will cater to those needs accordingly. And the test series here, the questions were carefully chosen from this, and our teachers here, they gave us a lot of practice so that during the final exam, the questions that are asked in the exam are not new to us. I would love to recommend Estellar Academy to my friends, my cousins, my siblings, and to all the other children around Goa. My cousin Aparna from Porvorim and I both have cracked NEET this year with the help of Estellar Academy, and both of us would love to recommend Estellar Academy to all our acquaintances.
Hello, my name is Yash Chanikar and I am from Estellar Integrated Program, and I have cracked NEET with very good score. I would like to thank my teachers for helping me clear my doubts and always being there for me.
Hello, my name is Elon Diniz and I'm a student of Higher Secondary School of Excellence. I'm a student of the integrated program, and I'm happy to say that I have scored a very good score in NEET 2023. The teachers of Estellar Academy are good. They help you with all your doubts and your queries. If you go to them, they will explain you everything nicely, and they're always there for you when you feel down and all. Estellar Academy is better than the other coachings is because of the teachers. The teachers are there for you. They help you with your doubts, and they teach well, and of course you need to do a lot of self-study by yourself also. They will motivate you when you get demotivated, and yeah, they teach really well in Estellar. Regarding the Estellar study material, I think it is more than sufficient for the NEET preparation.
You just need to refer it properly and study well. A message I would give for my juniors is that do not waste your time because you don't get time at all. Even if you think you are not able to do it, you just need to keep going because it is a hard journey and you need to keep going. I would really like to thank my parents because they have taken a lot of trouble. More than me, they have done the struggle. They had to sacrifice a lot, and the teachers also, they gave their precious time to me and helped me whenever I had doubts. And also the staff of Stellar who were there to motivate me when I was demotivated.
Hi, my name is Lisa D'Souza and I'm a student of Estellar Academy. Having cracked NEET with flying colors, I feel really proud, and I would like to extend my gratitude to my parents and my teachers for constantly supporting me throughout my journey. The teachers at Estellar Academy are simply amazing. They've always supported me, always been there to clear my doubts, and they always push you to aim higher. So I would definitely recommend Estellar Academy to all of my juniors. To all future aspirants for JEE and NEET, I would definitely recommend Estellar Academy.
My name is Shadan. I have studied from Estellar Academy and cracked NEET with a very good score. And I must say that all the teachers in Estellar Academy are really very helpful towards you, and they first try to be your friend, and they try to treat your doubts like that, in that way. So what finally I would like to say is that when you are studying, like most important comes your relation with your mentor. Because without a mentor, it might be that you might not end up with such a good score. A mentor, like studying is your part, but then a mentor gives you a perfect path on which, and a guided path which you can follow, and you can achieve your dream faster. So finally I would like to say is that always keep your dream in your mind, because that is the only thing which allows us to push ourselves more, come out from our comfort zone, and always be with your mentor connected, and here you don't have to fear anyone. You can be so frank and so friendly with everyone. Stellar is better than other coaching centers because I think in other coaching centers, sir, they are very in the sense they are not so friendly, sir. They are very formal. Even when you have to ask doubts, you have to take appointment from them, and then they have to be free. But then here teachers are if your class is over, you can just go to sir during lunch period, sir हमारे पास एक doubt था, and then sir is come तुम्हारा क्या doubt था, and here teachers encourage us to come with doubts. They know we will have a problem in this chapter, or we will have a problem in this subject, so that's why they encourage us to come with doubts. And the most I found Yogendra sir is that he personally he asks us what questions do you have. That is the best thing. In physics, even being from NEET background and medical, I had physics fear totally, but then Yogendra sir, he came always welcomed us with doubt, always encouraged us in class to ask our doubts, because he knew that without asking doubts or without asking questions, or if you are not free with the teacher, you can't learn at all. If you are you just want to solve all your doubts by yourself, then it's not possible. You can learn a lot. Yeah, so finally I would really like to recommend my juniors to join Stellar Academy, because what I would like to say is that here teachers are superb. You will find such a good environment over here, and such a motivating environment in which you will not feel distracted there are so many people here, I am deviating from my studies. No, everyone will try to motivate you to study more, and you will be in that competitive environment and that studying environment, and you will perform more better than what you were in other institutions in the past.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanya Lorita De Mello. I'm a student of Estellar Academy, and I'm really happy that I've scored a really good score in NEET. About Estellar Academy and the teachers, I would like to say that I had a very good experience. The teachers as well as the staff, they are very supportive, amazing. They really make our concepts clear, they clear our doubts, and also they go an extra mile by sometimes like even teaching us during the holidays, taking extra hours, and that effort of theirs has really shown up by the results that we have got. Yes, I would definitely recommend Stellar Academy for even the coaching for engineering and medicine, as well as there are many foundation courses too which would build up a strong base by them. To my juniors, I would like to say that this world is very competitive, so keep putting your efforts, do not stop, and continue the battle, do not leave in between. I would also like to thank my parents for supporting me in all the decisions that I take in my life and being there with me throughout. Thank you.
I am Runmay Dhavikar, studying at Estellar Academy, Vasco Center, and I have cracked my NEET with a good score. After clearing NEET, I am very happy and grateful that my dream of becoming a doctor is going to come true, and the first step, I have crossed the first step. The mentors and faculty at Stellar Academy are very supportive and encouraging, and very well trained in their respective fields. The teachers are approachable and friendly, and overall very supportive and motivating. I would like to recommend Stellar Academy for anyone who is aspiring to make an advancement in their career goal.
Hi everyone, I am Varun Kanji, a student of Estellar Academy. After clearing NEET with a great score, I am very happy and proud. I owe my success to my parents, Estellar Academy, its faculties and its members, and above all, the Almighty. The faculties at Estellar Academy are really supportive and are ever ready to help us with any of the difficulties we face in any subject. They also make sure that they keep a friendly environment with the students so that we don't hesitate to ask our doubts. Estellar Academy provides a really competitive environment. The test series provided by Stellar are really effective, and they are very NEET oriented, and the score that I was getting in my test series, I have gotten the same score in NEET 2023. I would like to recommend Stellar Academy to my juniors and all my friends who will be appearing for JEE in the upcoming years. If you are in Stellar, you don't have to follow any other coaching's material, because the material provided by Stellar is really sufficient to get a great score in NEET. To my juniors, I would like to say, be focused, be consistent, work hard, work smart, and most importantly, have faith in yourself and your teachers.
Hello, my name is Harsh Patil. I am a student of Estellar School of Excellence, and I have cracked NEET with a good score. The faculties or teachers at Estellar Academy are excellent, and they are ready to provide. I am always ready to provide any support if we need at any point of time. And so I would like to recommend all my junior students to be a part of Estellar Academy. I was a student of Estellar Integrated Course, and I will recommend everyone to get into it in order to get a good score.